Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel Academia Dimashq, the Damas Academy. The languages are surprisingly interesting at certain points. Many different difficulties or special things already exist in every language. But under the banner Arabic learning must be easy, you will learn one of the most beautiful, most important languages in the world. More than 467 million people speak Arabic as their first language. So you can sure benefit a lot from knowing Arabic, such as read and use books and references of science in medicine, physics, math, religion, music, etc. As a native Arabic speaker, I offer this academic language course for English and German speakers, so I will try as good as possible to determine the language correctly, easily, and pleasantly for the beginners. I wish you all a lot of fun with our language course and good luck for the future.